Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Casinocoin, regulated gaming industry. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off. Or you can also check out their biometric wallet single package, guys, which has got an astonishing $50 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorites, Ripple, XRP, Stellar, XDC Network, and others, guys. So do check it out. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet. So check it out and be safe. Anyways, guys, it has been a while since I wanted to basically share Casinocoin with you guys. Basically, CSC is the ticker, but couldn't. I do not know why I didn't do it before, but I've been following this coin for a very long time, guys. It is basically built on the XRP ledger. You guys can check out the contract XRP ledger over here. Check out the price at the moment, guys. It has got dollar 0.0003474, and the market cap is 14.35 million, guys. So this is a low market cap gem, basically. Although the volume is down 77.81%, guys, but we can check out the volume. It was almost $50,000, but it has fallen significantly in the past days. If we look at the last 7 days chart, guys, it is down 3.08%. The price is down from 0.00039. Not much here, guys. Basically, 0.0003536 is acting like an attraction point, the magnet point where the price comes back to in the last 7 days. If we look at the last month, guys, the price is up 47.79%. It went from 0.0002342 all the way to 0.0004. And since that time, guys, it came back down, but it is basically the price is stable in sideways price action. And I think this seems really good, guys. This seems that like it wants to basically break out of this range and blow out this resistance over here, the 0.0004 mark. It is up 125.76% in the last year. You can check it out. It basically killed a zero, 0.400409035, killed a zero. And I think that the price is well on its way to go up, but obviously not financial advice, guys, because overall, the CSC is significantly down since its all-time highs, guys, 93.32%. If we look at its all-time high, okay, so down 99.94% according to Coin Market Cap. 6 years ago, 0.5445, and up 502%. Anyways, guys, if we check out the max supply according to Coin Market Cap, the max supply is 65 billion CSC coins, and the total supply is 65 billion. Not more than this can be minted. I saw it on their website. So basically, this is the fixed amount, and 63.52% is in circulation. And this is the self-reported circulating supply, guys, 41.29 billion. Now, guys, let us look into the website of Casinocoin. What is it all? What is it all about? So check it out, guys. Against all odds, CSC is a digital currency developed specifically for the regulated gaming industry. And you know that, guys, gaming is going to be huge in the future in blockchain and in the crypto space in general. We saw the metaverse hype, we saw the gaming hype, the play to earn hype, and we need regulation in that space, guys. We need regulation in that realm, in that sphere, and this is where Casino Coin, the CSC coin, comes. So let us look into what Casinocoin is. So why Casinocoin basically? What is the use case? What is the utility? What is it all about? This is the perfect time for Casinocoin with so many people working and gaming from home. There has been an exponential shift in online activity. You guys know that there are a lot of people, guys, that basically benefited from XC Infinity and all of these other play to earn games, especially in the global south, guys. Global south means the underdeveloped developing countries, the underdeveloped world. Underdeveloped countries basically benefited from XC Infinity and these games, especially when during the COVID-19 era. Coupled with increasing interest in the crypto world, Casinocoin opens up the market to a pool of potential new players to target. Our blockchain technology means unmatched transaction cost, security, and near instant deposit. So basically, it is giving use case to the gaming industry and crypto in general, uh, uh, to finance in general and crypto in particular, guys. Low transaction fees, as with deposits, operator savings on withdrawals are significant, and similar saving percentages can be expected. Over 35,000 users have activated the Casinocoin trust line within the Zum wallet, granting them access to our ecosystem. Safeguarded, full blockchain traceability, disputes can be easily audited and resolved in a timely manner. No chargebacks. Chargebacks account for 1% of total deposits per site, costing operators money. So basically, Casinocoin eliminates these chargebacks with blockchain technology, guys. So they've got this lobby as well, the Casinocoin lobby, now live via Zum, if we pronounce it this way. Anyways, built on XUMM. The Casinocoin Lobby X app allows for easy signups to multiple casinos and offers a great way to keep track of your spendings across operators. Philosophy, basically, what is the philosophy behind Casinocoin? So CSC is founded on an ethos, the spirit of compliance and consumer protection. You know that the gaming industry and online space basically lacks compliance and consumer protection. We have seen time and again, guys, in the name of decentralization, in the name of liberation, that people have been scammed, people have been basically been manipulated due to lack of regulations. I know that liberty is important, but I think that consumer protection and regulation is also important for this space to go forward. We saw a lot of scams in the play to earn area, guys. I was basically exposed to a lot of them myself. During that time, you remember the metaverse hype and all the gaming coins, the play to earn games after XC Infinity. I mean, they just were there to scam, guys. So, who is it for? The CSC is a digital currency developed specifically for the regulated gaming industry. The Casino Coin project is led by a team dedicated and experienced in working within the regulated e-gaming sector, basically, primarily, guys, the crypto e-gaming sector. With this as a focal point, features and tools have been customized to meet both the needs of the users and operators. End users, Casino Coin is powered by the XRP ledger and gives users unmatched transaction costs, speed, and security. For operators, Casino Coin gives online casinos access to a new pool of potential members. So what else we do we have? So okay, so the frequently asked questions, guys. The people they have covered this as well. Is CSC is an investment? CSC should not be viewed or acquired as an investment. Basically, they have covered this thing that you are responsible if you're basically taking this as an investment. Obviously, guys, it has increased in price in the last year 125%. So basically, I can take this as an investment. I can take 125% any day of the week or any day, guys. So check this out. CSC will continue its multi-chain journey. So basically, I think this is the latest update. It might go multi-chain as well, from what from what I'm reading over here, decoding. So what else do we have? Where can I purchase it? Bitrue, Stacks, Bitex, Book, Whitebit. So DEXs, guys, the sologenic DEX as well, you can purchase it from there. As you know, that sologenic is basically, we've talked and covered sologenic extensively, guys. So yeah, you can buy it in their DEX. Will it be listed in new exchanges? Yes, with several exchanges. This is an important point, guys. The wallets, the XUMM wallet is where you can store it, which wallets are available. And this is also an important point, guys. Can the total coin supply of Casinocoin ever be increased? So this is the answer, guys. No, it is not possible to issue additional CSC on the XRPL. The supply is basically fixed, guys. This is also good, guys. We want to. A lot of people get discouraged by a lack of max supply or fixed supply. Although, guys, we've talked about it time and again that projects such as Casper Labs and even Ethereum doesn't have a max cap, guys. But there are really good projects that can do good, without a fixed supply. But guys, this is obviously appreciated, and people really want a fixed supply before investing. A lot of times I've seen, why do I need to be registered for using the Casino Coin lobby? Holders of Casino Coin that are signed up via the X app can enjoy the full utility, benefits, and functionality of Casino Coin. So basically, the reason is to assist online gaming platforms with the regulatory compliance, including anti-money laundering and know your customer rules. So basically, regulatory compliance is the reason that Casino Coin is doing this. So let us look into the partners. Who are the partners, current partners? So check this out, guys. A lot of partners, guys. A lot of partners. XRPL merch. Decent is also a partner, guys. Cool. This is really good. Uh, our our channel is also a partner with Decent, basically. So yeah, this is great. I really like Decent. Anyways, projects, Spectre, XRP Junkies. Let me show you their X handle as well, guys. 38.8k followers. So great followers, and they are also a part of the XRP Ledger Apex journey, along with the likes of Sologenic, which we covered in the yesterday, guys, in the Sologenic and coreum video. So Casinocoin XRPL is the number one project. Casinocoin is the number one project on the XRPL. The haters can cry themselves to sleep at night. CSC remains king. So yeah, a lot of people are bullish, especially in the XRP community, about CSC. So what do you guys think about it, guys? It was a while. This was coming, guys. CSC had to be covered. So what do you guys think about CSC and its future, its use case, its utility? Are you guys bullish on it, or are you bearish on it? I would really like your opinions, the pros and cons of CSC. So do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.